Once upon a time, in a whimsical land called Sugarville, lived a high-spirited character named Captain Jellybean. Despite his title, Captain Jellybean wasn't a traditional captain. He didn't sail the seas or explore unknown territories. His mission was far more entertaining. He was the guardian of laughter and joy, a champion of tickles and giggles. Captain Jellybean had an unusual power. Every step he took resulted in a boing, a bounce, or a big leap into the air. With his long, springy legs, he could bounce higher than anyone else in Sugarville. One sunny morning, Captain Jellybean woke up to find his bouncing power was gone. He stepped out of bed and nothing. No boing, no bounce, no leap. "Oh, sweet sprinkles," he gasped. "What's happened to my bounce?" In panic, he ran, on his disappointingly normal feet, to Dr. Lollipop, Sugarville's most brilliant candy scientist. Dr. Lollipop examined Captain Jellybean carefully, tapping his knees with a tiny marshmallow mallet. "I see what the problem is," said Dr. Lollipop, adjusting his licorice spectacles. "You've lost your spring, Captain. Don't worry, it happens sometimes when you've bounced too much. We just need to find the lost giggles and tickles that fuel your bounce." Together, they embarked on an adventure across Sugarville, gathering giggles and tickles. They went to the Pie-in-the-Face Circus, where giggles were plenty. They visited the school's playground during recess and collected the innocent tickles from the children's laughter. However, despite their hard work, Captain Jellybean's bounce was still missing. Feeling disheartened, Captain Jellybean sat on a bench near Mrs. Frosting's kindergarten class. Suddenly, he noticed a little boy sitting alone, away from the others. The boy, Timmy Taffy, looked sad. Captain Jellybean walked over and sat beside him. "What's wrong, Timmy?" he asked. Timmy sniffed. "I'm sad because I can't climb up the jungle gym like the other kids. I'm too small." Captain Jellybean felt a tug in his heart. "Timmy," he said, "everyone has something special about them. You're not small, you're fun-sized. And because you're fun-sized, you can. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel.